This is a success story of one of my subscribers, Nan Denny. She manifested her SP, and you can too. If you would like to share your success stories on this channel, email us at gameofbeliefs@gmail.com. Hello everyone. Finally, I am sharing my success story today about how I manifested the person of my dreams. So, let's get started. I was in a relationship with a boy, and last year around February, he started to be distant and was ignoring me. At the same time, I was begging him to talk to me, and that was the worst thing I have ever done. Then one day while scrolling YouTube, I came across Game of Beliefs channel, and then I understood everything which is happening to me was created by myself only. Then it took around 10 days for me to understand the concept of the law of attraction and the law of assumption. Then I started practicing the Ho'oponopono technique and was on a strict mental diet. I tried it for around 2 months, but there was no movement in my 3D. So, I was exhausted and thought, let's not manifest him anymore. I stopped doing everything, but I remained positive at that time, when we were in no contact. Then I started doing something new. I started assuming all the qualities of a man I want. I used to assume it before going to sleep for about 10 minutes. His face, personality, and nature. I assumed every single thing. In December, I stopped manifesting. I stopped doing anything and got busy with my life, and improved my self-concepts by loving myself. Fast forward to March. I met a man who was exactly the person I have imagined, and we instantly became friends. It felt very natural. I was so attracted to him. Then in June we came into a relationship, and it has been 2 months we are together and still strong. Now, I am sure he is the one because we are happiest together. But the twist in the story is that my ex, whom I manifested a year ago, came back and became the person I wanted him to be. He was begging and wanted us together, but I denied it, as I am happy with my current partner. So, in conclusion, everything is possible. We just need patience and self-confidence. Self-love is the key to manifesting. The way you will treat yourself is the same way people around you will treat you. I wish you all the best for your manifestations. If I can do it, then anyone can. Subscribe if you liked this video. Happy manifesting.